Oh, no, 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 no.
You're
All right, now,
when 16s
see
are
pink
on,
and blue, I even brought you pink and blue.
Chapter 2.
It
All
is
right, we're
federal.
gonna double this.
If the other
Well,
guy.
this is all on the bias, so I cut it.
Can I ask you one question? When she talks about tension, do you know what she's talking about?
Well, it's the tension of the top, upper, and lower thread that's going to go. Now, I'm gonna sew a row and show it to you what it's gonna look like.
Bobbin and this have to be at the correct balance and tension
This-
to make a straight stitch. Otherwise, you'll get loops.
This does have automatic on it. And I told them that then when they pull it through, see, now my new one is over here, and I have the hardest time getting it.
Do you like your new one?
Okay, we got a little foot pedal down here.
Yep.
See the foot pedal? Here's the air pedal, John.
All right. Now, the best thing is to make sure you put your needle in first before you start.
Okay, and always turn this towards you.
Always turn that toward you. All right?
Can you do that through pressing the button? Catching.
Well, that's because, there, you just have to pull that out. You'll find out that it's gonna do all kinds of little funny things. Now, the other thing, pull that, let's see. When you wanna pull it out, you have to have the needle at its highest position. And then it pulls out real easy. All these lines here on the sewing machine, this one here is your 5/8 inch seam, which most patterns call for. And then from there it goes down to 1/2 inch to 1/4 of an inch or whatever you would like. Now, you can tell whether this is a good tension on here or not. Your tension has to be, you know, that you don't see the middle stitch. But that looks pretty good to me. I don't think you can see too much. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, now you got all kinds of, see, I'm doing this wrong. That's why it got caught. There's a little side hole here. I haven't used this in about 2 months, that's why I can't even remember myself.
Do you like your new one?
Yeah, I do. It's got lots of different things. All right, now for this thing right here. For regular sewing, this tells you how long you want to stitch. If you want a basting stitch or you're doing buttonholes, it goes all the way there, and it makes a much longer stitch. I'm a left footer on this pedal. See, now this is a much larger stitch because it's for basting and it's easier to rip when you want to take it out. Okay? So this is your stitch length down here. And this is your 5, and the book will tell you all of this. Your book will tell you that number 5 is where you want your straight stitch. Now if you want to, there's a 5 is a straight stitch, 6 is your zigzag, then this is your blind hem, which I'm going to show you today with your pants.
Yeah.
So, wait a minute now. It goes pretty well. 6. Is it zigzagging or not?
Not really. Well, a little bit.
It's going to zigzag a lot.
What happened
6
back here?
is the zigzag. No, this has nothing to do with that. This is, the whole time I've ever used it, I've left it at that.